Rating food on a tier list. You cannot tell me that sushi isn't from heaven. Like when it's bad, but when it's good, your taste buds are ascending to the next world. S tier. Hamburger. It's just so fucking juicy. And when you add stuff to it, it just all works out with perfect harmony, but not as yummy as sushi. A tier. Pizza. It is already good with nothing, and then you add toppings and make it better. It's easy to eat, fucking tasty. You can share it easily, and you can add pineapple on it. Yes, I like it. What you gonna do about it? Sue me? Fuck off. S tier.